akari abantu.
Awesome. Turinka sides every sides every small. Memória mujindanje ganin poinja. Turinka sides every small. Amisho gare mera hari wor nice. Size in the edge on the figure 8. Ebyoro kugamba kora kugenda rinka boss. Ya torinka babanda bakahehe netse mama. Abar kugashama banjezerengo no musama. Nubwo kwashama no kushamara nyowe nakaba. Yes, tinyine mu ninchimanya. But yarukundo nimbijuwa. Furizi cyakwera nyorobezo tampenda. Kwinire purani reka kukubye kafeza oboni kikancheza nze kurondera mpiha ngugure yakashoche kaba pura ziriyana nane bigambo ninyeneje zambora ninduka manifesto yeah nondeba makapita kaba sigazi ninze kwerita hompaka nkire hakaring yeah you boni kakashana deli yeah my baby no yangashana ijanere boni kende berwa my yeah you boni kakashana deli my baby no yanga sana ijanere iwe boni kende berwa my iwe nikito no murika with the perfect height smile on the edge chemi traka chikwata kiteke your go girl everything's on point head and shoulder knees and toes natwaza jana kwa jenda na yaka vibe unkezo nizinchu nyantaka nshoba nchokomba nina gorukoba nshonda njibya indumbe samutaka utanyanga jana nkwinire rukundo nakupenda sana utandebya pana mpereza rukundo tanchanga mwana reka ndumbikirize birungo nkumishe repereza time ebyo kushaka ginichenga nondeba makapita kabasigas noza kwerita hompaka nkutire hakaring yeah iwe boni kakashana deli my baby no yanga sana ijanere iwe boni kende berwa my iwe yeah iwe boni kakashana deli my baby no yanga sana
256 tuya tuza kunje mnonga la chikanshe mnonga ezato kumuri kuri zo mabazini mugamba chimwe bere kwa mchiri a Sky Television program budget Rwajumba ndatashi the Wasadalek Annabelle and Phantom DJ and nijomu style yaman mnonga akantaka kagamu the MTN and mother MTN achiguda cha Sky Television etele mwaka sente kama mnonga etele mwempia so finally
atandikiraho manyitwe
ya ibirabo birwaha and nimwe kwa hero muza kutunga byanyu
etebe nebyitu
birizoba
kandi tebe byonka biriyo bingi but anyway twine omuntu owarga MTN watuletera tuturabo so natugambira buri kimwe cyona ekirabe kiruho aha Ekigunda ekyo ine ku expectinga that very day urwakatano ebiro mushanje ebirabo nyamwingi naza kuba natugambira one of those nanka gift says tabentu ntwangura ninga shintutunga so cyo no kora no kugumaho tukaganira nawo wasibota
nasibaje madamu wasibota
tinyine nshonga
mwe bari kurebekaje
we bari kusima we bari kutereza wa t-shirts we are going to look smart
wakata higuru na ata ya weji you look so beautiful
so thank you so much amazina mayita basi Kamcha Abbas. Yes, kanda niko na MTN kandi yazarwa ya Hanoi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Naye wachifanto mbugana. Utari musiramu takora musiramu.
Wa ni na yoshunga. Kandi tiba mhaka gufi
wacho ine. Naye wacha inebu.
But anyway, no yagambira abantu bamanye naho kurga henyini.
Yes, kuko nagamba amazina manyita basi kandi yazarwa mu mbara. So enshonga mbangi atuleta hanuya ngokuga MTN tuira etwani yokora with most of the companies around here. We come in 20 tags wakwija to give away some freebies, maybe t-shirts and other stuff that we can give away. So every mwezi mushanju okokwezi kwenyini, right? That is Friday of this week. MTN and Sky TV tukoragana hamwe from morning up to evening as MTN twijine ibintu bingi munonga arnakorwe for our customers out there.
Okay, tugambira have ibintu nkebyo ebimutwinire ningashi what should those people expect from you guys?
Yes, so courtesy of MTN abantu bibiri abamanze kutaho mu omunda omu university in first 200 guys will receive free SIM cards. Kandi SIM card yo neja na airtime ya usha. Neriho SMS 100 za usha. And mobile money registration is free of charge. Then from morning up to evening, whoever enters nakufuna free data. Courtesy of my MTN app.
Yeah.
Then
data the data journey inganachi.
Data you get whoever recommends gets 500 and whoever receives gets 200.
Okay.
So you can recommend from morning you get over 2 GBs or 3 GBs of data from morning. Then again maybe later on turafuna ho some experiential hour we shall give away t-shirts. We shall give away aprons, we shall give away bottles, and a lot more caps, a lot more. T-shirts are like this. This is how they look like. Yes. This is the brand. This is how all t-shirts will be looking like from morning up to evening.
The new brand.
Yes.
They should even know quality ya t-shirts ninunji mnonga. It is really good. Bakwereza no basakujwara
lembubo phantom ya
yes, even the caps. As in Zezo.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if there's any other question. I can take it on.
Yeah, apart from kuhereza the gifts and the airtime, what else should your people expect from you?
We have so many products which are put on display. We have MiFis, but those will be sold. We have Wakanets, those who need fast internet. We have Wakanets, we have routers, we have cardboard smartphones. SMS is a loan. Yes. So when you kenda, you deposit, you get your phone, then you pay mpora.
So that offer nearly is over,
and it will be running over and over again. Eh? So, even today it is still on. It is on. Even tomorrow it will be on. But on that day, we shall have a bit of relax.
So ichumanyisa ngo abantu batakumanya bakwasa kuzitunga ayizobere no basakuja university in and uzazishanga ziri nyinji mno so ujana sentence chimanyisa ngo
emitwana shinji kenda no funa smartphone then no shashura mpora umweze mtwale netcheka a week in kumitano according to how you can. Yes, no in national ID away and again people who get free SIM cards please carry your original national IDs. Not copy, not the copy, but vijana za original national IDs zabo so bafune free SIM cards za MTN on that day 7th of April. That will be a Friday this week.
Are you going to be answering some questions from those people like
yes,
like a problem with your line or MTN, something like that?
It's okay. We go with our customer experience team. So they will be taking on some questions and responding to some. We shall have an experiential hour, an MTN hour. We shall respond to any bit of query.
Okay.
Yes.
Good news from MTN. Kando ichengu bamwe ahari aba batutire musente Ekigunda. So tutakasibire mutahi wetu utarabe twine olwa katano. Atugambere bigambo bya muheru.
Maybe ikigambo cya muheru ekimana cy'ukorwa wanje ko muntu is really to wish all my Muslim brothers a very very happy Ramadan. Thank you for fasting and may Allah really accept your ibadah and all your good deeds. Then from MTN side, we thank you as our customers. And last year we made 24 years in Uganda with a very huge customer base, very appreciative. So we are humbled.
What time are you going to be there?
We shall be there from morning, from 7 in the morning up to late in the night.
Yes, yanarga MTN kandi arukubagambira ekirabe kiruho that very day kandi mwayihurira tukuza kubigaruka mu muntu yayeshira yagambo byara kimurabe mushangayo ati tukuza kubishisha but ekintu kwenda ku insisting aho nkagamba ne cha data then SIM cards then airtime or no ebyo ne bikuza kuja ne na license.
Yes, license ya.
O inenkuru tine charatunji. In case yijo.
Shana we national ID o inenkuru, you get another SIM card.
The second one.
A second line. Even I have 3 SIM cards for MTN.
Okay.
3 SIM cards.
So if I come with my MTN, the one I'm using right now, You're not giving
You
me
get
anything.
data. You get data. You get
Aha,
data.
choncho
But you
chinani
won't
nyene.
get SMSs. You won't get airtime.
But I will get that.
Yeah. You get data.
Not bad.
Yes.
So ni wowe ne MTN uri no gikozesa utakagira ta nbaza kugihereza basi.
Anabere n'umuntu wa data mnonga so aine kubana making ashobora yatunga data izoberyo.
Nambe nimbuza abandi.
Oh yeah. So taro buzo ibira bintu buzo waza kuhangura nga t-shirt ezi no kuzigaba.
Maybe because people come to have fun. So asking them questions may be a bit boring. Maybe no you dance to some song, you answer some 1 2 3 questions. Oh, t-shirt. Just people who look good just like you, you get free t-shirts. You get a t-shirt. Yes.
Lero no chitamahi
You get free data.
ana berta chemera izobero.
So I'm going to do that.
Anyways, thank you so much Abbas for coming through. The MTN the MTN nibamwita Abbas.
I'm so excited. I'm going to win.
Yeah, you're going to win. Nweto tune kurunji mnongo mawaziguri zoba MTN tiri sente nyinji akulengo Ekigunda cha Sky Television chat. Kaho. So you come through izoberi biro mushajwe kwezo kwa kana uhangure na the MTN kano garicho uhangure na Sky Television. Tumure ukache mnonga tuine Edio Davids.
Yes, sir. Bro, you know what it is. What you call my nigga? Back up and cross it back, I'm on the nerve, that when I know it has that, I did it, bring the bemboga. And so she's on my chitty, I just got him tornado.